Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Mazda 3 in neutral with a dead battery. First, locate the small plastic cover near your gear selector. This cover hides the shift lock release. Carefully use a small flathead screwdriver to pry off this cover. Once removed, you will see a small slot. Insert the screwdriver into this slot to engage the release mechanism. With the shift lock released, you can now engage neutral. Ensure your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. While keeping the brake depressed, move the gear selector from park to the neutral position. You should feel a slight click as it engages. Double-check that the selector is fully in neutral before releasing the brake pedal. Once your Mazda 3 is in neutral, immediately engage the parking brake to prevent unintended movement. It's crucial to ensure the vehicle is on a level surface before attempting to push or tow it. If you plan to move the car, have someone steer while another person pushes. For a long-term solution, consider jump-starting the battery or contacting roadside assistance. To quickly recap, first, find and remove the shift lock cover, then insert a small tool to release the mechanism. Next, firmly press the brake pedal and move the gear selector into neutral. Remember to engage the parking brake for safety. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life, please check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.